Hey everyone! If you've ever wondered how to claim insurance through Shopee but weren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. In just a couple of minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can activate and check your insurance without any confusion. Let's get into it. First, open the Shopee app and head straight to the Me section at the bottom right of your screen. This is where all your account settings and services are located. Once you're there, scroll until you see Financial Services. Tap on See More. This will open a list of available services. Next, click on Explore to view all the insurance options Shopee offers. You'll see various types of insurance like car insurance, medical, motorcycle, personal accident insurance, and more. For this walkthrough, let's use the free personal accident insurance as an example. Select the free plan, agree to the terms and conditions, and then hit Redeem Now. That's it. You've successfully redeemed the insurance. To make sure it's activated, go back to the Me section. This time, tap on Insurance. You should see the personal accident insurance you just redeemed listed there as active. If you want more details, just click on the policy. When you open it, you'll notice that the free coverage is valid for 1 month from the date of activation. If you need longer protection, Shopee also gives you the option to upgrade or extend your plan anytime. And that's all it takes to claim insurance in Shopee. Quick, simple, and totally free to start. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more handy tips just like this. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.